So the next deletion method is deleting the node after the given node. Previous two videos we saw about deleting the node at the end, then deleting the node at the beginning, and now we are going to see deleting the node uh, after the given node. Okay, so here how we will check means by using the data value, we will check the node and we will delete the after the node. So for example, the data value is given 4. So for that we will use the condition, that is ptr tends to data is not equal to val. So suppose val is 4. So we will check with the till this node and we will delete after the node which is given. So we will delete this one by using the free function. Okay, so we will see with the code. So first we are declaring two pointer variables, that is a ptr and pre-ptr. We are using two variable. Then we are declaring one variable, that is val. Then enter the value of after which the node has to be deleted. So after which node we have to delete. So that is mentioned by the data value. So we have to get the value from the user. So for example, I am giving val is equal to 3. Okay, then what will happen? ptr is equal to start. So what will the start node, so it will become as a ptr node. And next what we are doing, pre ptr is equal to ptr. So we are making this node as a pre ptr. We are making this as a pre ptr. The next we are checking the condition, pre ptr tends to data is not equal to value. We have to check this condition, pre ptr tends to data, what is the value? 1. We are checking 1 is not equal to value is 3. So it is true. If it is true means it will execute this loop. So pre ptr is equal to ptr, so it will become as a pre ptr, and ptr is equal to ptr tends to next. So the next node will become as a ptr. So again we have to check the condition, pre ptr tends to data. So we are denoting with the first node only. So we are checking 1 is equal to not equal to 3. So the condition again it is true. So what will happen? We have to execute this loop. So pre ptr is equal to ptr. So now what happened? This will become as a pre ptr. Then ptr is equal to ptr tends to next. It is a ptr. Okay, this is a ptr. Again we have to check the condition, that is pre ptr tends to data. So what is the data? 7. We are checking 7 is not equal to 3. We are checking the condition, 7 is not equal to 3. So this condition is true again. So what will happen? So this will become as a pre ptr and this is a ptr. Then again we are checking pre ptr tends to data. So what is the data? 3. 3 is not equal to 3. So what happened? This condition becomes false. So what will happen? It will come out of the loop and it will check pre ptr tends to next is equal to pre ptr tends to next. So what is a pre ptr? It is a pre ptr. Tends to next is a pre ptr tends to next. So what happened? ptr tends to next. So what happened? Pre ptr tends is next. This link part will be the pre ptr tends to next. So what is given here, that will be swapped here. Okay, so it contains the address of the pre ptr next. Then what will happen? So what will happen? This will be connected, right? Then what will happen? This, by using the free function, we will remove the node. Okay, we will remove the node. So we are deleting the node after the given node. So what will happen? By using this statement, pre ptr tends, so this address path contains the address of the ptr next. So this address it will be there, and we are removing the node by using the free function. Okay, and next this is the code and the algorithm. So here first we are checking the overflow condition. So then same only, then ptr is equal to start, and then pre ptr is equal to ptr. Then we are checking the condition, while pre ptr tends to data is not equal to value. So if this condition is true means this two statement will be executed, pre ptr is equal to ptr, ptr is equal to ptr tends to next. So once this condition becomes false, what will happen? It will come out of the loop. Then we are using temporary variable here, temp is equal to ptr. Then what we are doing, pre ptr tends to next is equal to ptr tends to next, and we are freeing the particular node from the list. So this is deleting the element after the given node. So this is about the deletion.